guys, so today, as I promised, I wanted to share how I clean my sewing machine. First I have to show you where all the stuff that is hidden. This is the storage part of the sewing machine here. So I got the stuff here that I'm going to use, like the screwdriver. I have a brush that I use for removing the lint, and the rest are just parts of the sewing machine that I use when I'm doing sewing. Okay guys, so let's start doing that. Okay, first I wanted to remove the needles so that it's safer for us to clean it. Okay, so remove that one, and then I remove the bobbins there. Oops, I got this one too at the same time, so that's okay. It's actually better. Okay, so now I wanted to remove the presser foot so that it's much easier and cleaner. You can clean everything. And the next one is the plate. Sorry, it's slippery. So I got it there. So we can remove the plate. There it is. So be sure that the plate underneath is really cleaned. You know, you have, because the lint gathered underneath there. And then I start cleaning around here, the inside. This is where the lint of the thread and the fabric gathered really. So you have that like this one here in the middle, this hole here. That is very important. That's clean all the time, because the thread really makes like a ball or something, and then you'll have a problem sewing because it doesn't move properly already, you know. And all the crevice here in the side, I clean that up too, because that's where see how the dust and the lint of the fabrics are there. So just clean that one underneath and that. And you will see the difference of your sewing, or the thread and the needles is really nice and smooth. So that's how it is. Also guys, this one here, it's actually, you can remove this one, the whole thing. Then you can see how dirty it is. See how the thing gathered here in the bottom too. So let's clean that. There. So I clean the whole thing here with this rag, so that see how dirty it is. And then we can return the stuff. Okay, so I think I cleaned the whole thing. There's still some. I like to really remove the whole dust there, or little lint that settled in the bottom, because it really hinders your sewing. So also I like to clean around here, because this is where the bobbin sits, and once it's dirty, it is hard for the bobbin to move around too. So clean that, and then it's cleaned, we can return that one. There. Okay, so it should be sitting really nice and smooth here. There's no like, sometimes it's hard to move, so you have to be sure that it's sitting nicely. And then we'll start putting back the plate there, so it sits good too. Okay, be sure that this is not too tight, you know, so that it's not difficult to take out, or as long as you know it sits there really nice and snug. So okay, we done that, and then we can return our freezer food. Okay, so I just want to be sure that it's properly returned and it's not I got just my thread here. Okay, there, so that's good. Okay, now I can return my bobbin. Okay, so I just do this and there. Also, we can return our needles if I can see, because it's hard to there. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I've done that. Now I wanted to thread it. Okay, we'll see how. Okay, do that. So just slowly try if the needle went really straight and there's nothing that got hit, and it will be okay. So we got the thread in the bottom there. Now I want to return the cover. That's how it is, guys. So maybe we should try sewing if it's good. Okay, we'll try this one here. It looks good. Actually, it looks good. See? No problem. So I guess, guys, this is all it is. We'll finish it from here. I hope I share you the stuff that I normally do, and I hope you enjoy watching this short cleaning up that I'm doing for my sewing machine. Okay, guys, so thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Okay, bye bye.